Ekwulobia is a town located in Anambra State under Agwata local government and as well the headquarter, though the large portion of the secretariat is found in Aguleze. So over the years now, a lot of new construction has been going on within this town, ranging from road dualization, construction of flyover, construction of new park, and construction of shopping mall, and now Gloria Township Stadium. This is a Gloria Township Stadium. Previously, it was looking so abandoned, but currently being revived by the Anambra State government. The stadium comes with country club and a more advanced pitch and the rest. So we are currently inside the country club which you are watching right now. We're gonna tour this country club. Then from here, head inside the stadium. You will see the pitch and also see the auditorium. The last time I toured this particular place was ending of last year, and I can tell you this country club was still at around that foundation base and rest, and this installation of gates and demarcations has not happened then. So right now we are already inside the stadium. Once you come in from the main entrance gate, the country club is by the left hand side, which has its own gate and fence. It was demarcated from the main stadium. So by your right hand side, you head right inside the stadium. So when I came earlier last year, the auditorium was still under construction. Nothing much has been done there, and the pitch and the running track is still under construction back then. But right now, as you can see, if you watch my previous video, which I may be leaving the link on this one, you can see there's a lot of progress that has been made since the last time I visited. I even the thing I so much love here is the greeny pitch that I'm seeing here. They maintained the pitch, and this is natural carpet glass, and you can see how green it is looking. So this is the auditorium, and this is the type of sitters that is in the auditorium. Though I was expecting something like the one you have in the Alessi QMS Square, but this is normal seats you used to find in most stadium. within this area or within um, Nigeria or something. So from here we will show you around the beach and also show you the environment. The stadium is quite big. The pitch is given. The pitch is looking so nice. I hope they will maintain the pitch to continue looking the way it is now and also improve more. Maybe there are other some kind of minor places that you can still see the ground. So by the time the whole place is is fully grown and some maintenance is done on it, the places will be looking more beautiful. I will also go more closer to show you the best view of that page and the rest, so you see it for yourself. Though the track part, the running track part has not fully completed, but a major part of it has been completed, and even the day I visited, a lot of work we are still going on there. So like I said earlier, it comes with country club and now this particular beach. Earlier, before, this stadium was looking so unkept. I've been to this stadium before the renovation commenced, and well, I did not make video that time because I did not go there for videoing, so I could not get the previous looks of this stadium. But I can tell you the stadium is not this way. That time the stadium was looking so unkept that previously, until this renovation comes in play. So you can see the looks of the pitch. You can also see the minor places that still need some little work. So the pitch is given. It's not every pitch that you can see like this. Some people don't even go more deeper this way. At least this one, they try their best by making sure that these things are put in place. As stadium is being completed, this one will also grow and look beautiful together with the stadium. Like if you visit Oka Stadium, or if you watch my previous video concerning Oka Stadium on this channel, you will see that the Oka Stadium has no natural carpet glass. What was there is those rubber ones, so it was not planted there. What was there, what is in Oka Stadium inside the Solution Fund City, is the rubber carpet glass, but this one is natural. Definitely it's natural, I can tell you that, and if you visit there, you're gonna enjoy it. And I can't wait for the stadium to be completed, and I'll visit back and see everything for myself, and have a fun time inside there, and also explore the country club also. So guys, continue watching the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click on the like button, and do as well share. And for the new comers to the channel, you are welcome, and for the old subscriber, thank you for always coming back. Thank you for being supportive to our channel, and I say may God bless you. Do have a wonderful day.